Now, AJ Fox with your local Weather Authority forecast.
A little bit of cooling tomorrow. We're not even going to get into the 90s maybe.
No, I don't think so. I mean, not Fresno. Some valley spots
Some
may,
will.
but everybody's going to be cooler, significantly
which is
cooler.
nice.
Right. And so the only other problem is going to be wind. No advisories to talk about, but the wind is strong enough that, you know, when it starts to dry out and you have that fire burning down the South Valley.
That's not a good combination.
No, that's not a good combination at all. Take a look at where we were today, which was 96 degrees, above normal by several, morning low only by a couple at 62. No records even threatened. 73 in Fresno currently, 68 though in Merced, 74 in Visalia and Hanford, 72 in Porterville, Lemoore 73. Compare this to 24 hours ago. Most of the valley is cooler than 24 hours ago. Sorry, Madera. But the wind is up there. We're nearly 20-mile-per-hour winds right now in Fresno, but it's about that 10 to 15-mile-per-hour range for the rest of the valley. So when you get over into those mountain areas where that fire is currently burning in Tulare County, that can get kind of funneled into little crevices in the mountains and intensified a little bit. But hopefully that doesn't actually play out in this area where the fire is burning. But in the meantime, we have varying degrees of cloudiness. So looking at the wider view, any rain is going to stay in Northern California and miss us entirely. The general momentum is carrying it further to the north. We're going to catch a few clouds, obviously, tonight and into tomorrow. And then the front kind of halts and even as it does so, sort of runs out of gas and no more moisture in the air. And that means we're going to see clouds, but not really see any rain. Even in our viewing area, we see just outside of Los Banos an isolated chance at a shower here and there, but otherwise just varying degrees of cloudiness for us on the valley floor. We should get significantly cooler as a result of that, though. 61 in Pixley, 59 in Visalia and Selma, 5 points 58, 57 in San Joaquin, Madera 58, 57 in Chowchilla, Mariposa 56, 57 in Merced, Los Banos 55 with a high tomorrow of 82. Same in Merced, 84 in Chowchilla, 87 in Mendota, San Joaquin 89, 90 in 5 Points, Huron, Coalinga, 89 in Lemoore, 88 in Visalia, 89 in Porterville, Pixley and Delano both 91 degrees. Our air quality is going to be good to moderate, which is a huge improvement across the valley. Tonight, variable cloudiness is what I'm calling it, 62. Northwest wind 10 to 15 miles per hour. In Fresno, we're a little outside that range right now, and sunrise time at 5:40 tomorrow. A little less on the wind, although it could get up to 15 miles per hour at times. A high of 88 degrees expected for tomorrow, which is, again, a significant drop in temperatures, but there's more on the way because we're going to see the clouds moving in and the wind. That becomes an issue this weekend. It looks like the wind will be up around 20 miles per hour. Now moving to Saturday. I had moved it to Sunday and Monday. Now I'm thinking the strongest winds will be Saturday and Sunday again. And then we're looking at less wind on Monday and Tuesday with a lot more sunshine. That'll allow our temperatures to get quite a bit warmer. We're back into the mid-90s on Wednesday of next week, so enjoy the break while it lasts. Your regional forecasts are available on our website at yourcentralvalley.com, so do go check them out there. But it is the one issue is going to be the strength of that wind, and as long as the fire is continuing to burn, the breezy conditions like what we're having now, they're going to be with us for the next several days.
All right. AJ, thank you so much.